Hey guys, and welcome to Kamara's Creative Creations. So today I am back with another video and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really thick clicky matte slime. So for this slime all you'll need is some flour, and this is going to be the main ingredient. If you don't have any flour on hand then you can use cornstarch, that also works. You'll need some baking powder and not baking soda, which is also known as bicarbonate of soda, because that can make your slime really rubbery and watery and not fun to play with. You also, this is optional, but I just have some yellow glitter here, and to go with that I just have a metallic gold paint. You'll also be needing some shaving cream, and this will make your slime really soft. You'll also need some PVA liquid glue or Elmer's glue. I just have PVA. And then you'll also be needing your activator. Along with that, you'll be needing some sort of foaming hand wash. I just have this foaming soap. And the last ingredient you will need is some sort of shower gel. I just have this Spider-Man one, which is my brother's. And then you'll be needing a mixing utensil and a pot. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you want to do is pour some of your glue into your bowl. That you want to go in with your shaving cream. Now you want to add some of your foaming hand wash. You want to add a squirt of your gel. Oops, lid fell. Now you want to add a pinch of your baking soda, baking powder. Okay, so you're going to give that a good mix. So now I'm just going to go in with my paint. So I don't want this to be too vibrant, so I'm just going to add, oops. And mix. And if you guys are wondering what my activator is made up of, it is a mix of Tide laundry detergent and Kershaw's laundry starch. And I'm also doing a giveaway I'm also doing a huge slime giveaway, so don't forget to check out my Instagram at Kamara Hall to find out more about it. Okay, so once you finish mixing in your glitter, you want to go ahead in with your flour or cornstarch. Okay guys, so once your slime does not stick to your hands, this is the point where you know it's ready. So this slime is super thick, super clicky, and I just love this slime. It looks quite doughy, like I think I might call this pizza dough because it's so thick. It's not quite a butter slime because it doesn't quite scratch because it's not clay, it's flour. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Ultra out.